Hello everybody, it's Wes from Adventure Family. Heading out on next adventure. It's New Year's Day 2021. Never thought 2020 would end. But here it is, and now we're coming into the beautiful town of Trona. Gonna head up to Minietta Cabin. Hopefully there's nobody up there. We can set up camp for the night. We'll see. Off to the right there is the Pinnacles. Okay, on our way to Minietta Cabin. Okay, the first mine stop of the trip here.
Yeah, the big one.
Here we go. Here's Eleanor, the mine explorer. Much warmer back here. Got a chute to the right. Nice. All right, so we got some guys climbing on here. The ore chute. The intrepid mine explorer, Eleanor. Okay, you see off into the distance, there's Minietta Cabin and the mine. Got some Homestead ruins here. Take a look real quick. Pretty elaborate set of ruins here. Nice, you're three-wheeling it. Nice work. Here comes the full-size Overland. So appreciate our county put this cone out here for us. Exploring Some mining areas. Not quite sure what the heck this thing is. Somebody can tell me, I'd really appreciate it. Guessing some kind of ore crusher. Yeah. You can see the mine back here. Oh yeah. All right, Weston says it looks totally safe.
Yep. Safety third. Here I go. Oh boy.
Oh, sorry about the camera view there.
Is it my rear end?
What do we got here? Oh. How far down?
No, it doesn't look that super far. But doesn't this kind of scare anybody? Like this thing, like. But.
I don't know. That looks pretty damn far to me.
That looks really far. Oh yeah, that's not a pleasant fall.
So we finally made it to the end. At least 2,000 feet back, I would estimate. Got some graffiti from 1942. All right, gentlemen. After a great day of exploring, we stumbled across this old foundation of what appears to be a giant mill site. It was a perfect place to set up camp for the night. There's our campsite from last night. The sunrise coming up right there. All right, out here at Panamint Springs. We're heading to the city of Darwin now through what is called the Old Toll Road, which used to go from Stovepipe Wells to the city of Darwin. then headed to the Inyo Mountains to check out the Santa Rosa Mine. Eleanor's first time in the snow. We're in the Santa Rosa Mine. Some shoring here. Got a vertical shaft here. Wow. Oh, wow, yeah. Got I'm guessing a boiler? I don't know. Is that steam? Pipes there in the ground?
You know, it just reminds me of this.
Yeah, it is. We just checked out the Santa Rosa Mine. Pretty awesome. It's about 6,500 feet. Snow on the ground still. It's late in the afternoon. It's already 4:45, so we didn't get a chance to explore everything we wanted to. I mean, the mine is just incredibly huge. So we're heading now to go find a place to set up camp. Hopefully a place a little bit warmer, because it's about 36 degrees here right now. So we decided to set up camp at the Viking mine bunkhouses just outside of Talc City. All right, we're enjoying a nice fire side of this little cabin. Got gourmet chef Hadley over here cooking up a storm. Oh, look at those brats. Nice. It's gonna be good. After a great day of exploring and an excellent meal, we decided to call it a night.
Stop, so gonna get on the ride, twisting and turning through life.
Getting ready to make breakfast here. Got some fresh squeezed orange juice going on. Powered up by the Jackery. Get a quick look at that. Looking really nice. Get some coffee going. We got some French toast. The Mr. Buddy's heating us up. And Eleanor's feeling pretty happy. If you can hear it, we got the drone running outside.
Every day will bring me something new. Every day will bring me something new.
Before we headed home, we thought we'd check out the iconic spot where U2 shot their iconic photo for the Joshua Tree album.
footprints around, yeah. I know that every day will always bring me something new.
Sadly, the tree died back in 2000 of natural causes, but it's still a pretty cool place.